Imagine this: you wake up, pick up your phone, and it already knows what you need. Without even unlocking it, your screen greets you with your morning playlist, today's weather, and your first meeting, all perfectly arranged before you even swipe. That's not a dream. That's Samsung's One UI 8, a system so intelligent it almost feels alive. This isn't just another Android skin update, this is Samsung's vision for a phone that understands you, not just your taps and swipes but your habits, your moods, and your day-to-day rhythm. Welcome back to Tech Insight, where we dive deep into the future of innovation. And today we're uncovering the most transformative Samsung software yet, One UI 8. Before we start, make sure you're subscribed, because this one is going to change how you see your Galaxy forever. The very soul of One UI 8 lies in its AI integration, not just surface-level smarts, but deeply rooted intelligence that transforms the way your phone interacts with you. The home screen now adapts dynamically. Let's say it's morning, the widgets rearrange to show your calendar, emails, and health data. By night, they fade into a relaxing mode with your bedtime playlist, dimmed icons, and a serene wallpaper that shifts tone with the sunset. It's not a static setup anymore. It's a living interface responding to your environment, your schedule, and even your emotions. Samsung calls it contextual harmony. And once you see it in action, it feels like magic. But what makes One UI 8 truly different is how deeply emotional it feels. When you unlock your phone, you don't just see an app grid, you experience motion, depth, and life. Icons respond to light, gently reflecting your wallpaper's tones. The blur effect feels like frosted glass, layered with subtle gradients that make every gesture flow like liquid. Samsung's designers took inspiration from nature. Clouds drifting, water rippling, to create a UI that's not just functional but genuinely beautiful. They've even revamped animations to be emotionally reactive. When you scroll quickly, things speed up with you. When you slow down, the phone moves with grace. It's fluid, elegant, and addictive to watch. And here's something no one saw coming: AI-driven personalization that actually learns from you. One UI 8 uses on-device learning to study how you use your phone without sending any personal data to the cloud. If you always open your camera right after unlocking, it'll start placing that shortcut where your thumb naturally lands. If you tend to switch to dark mode late at night, your phone begins doing it automatically before you even think about it. It's personalization not through settings, but through subtle, evolving adaptation. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful and futuristic features: Live Scene Detection UI. The system detects your surroundings using your camera and sensors and adjusts your display brightness, tone, and wallpaper color in real time. Picture this: you're walking through a park, the wallpaper subtly changes to a sunlit gradient that matches the sky above you. Step indoors, and your phone instantly cools its tones to reduce eye strain. It's not gimmicky. It's deeply immersive and practical. Samsung's goal is to make your screen feel like an extension of your environment, blending digital and physical worlds seamlessly. Privacy, as always, gets a serious upgrade. With One UI 8's Smart Shield, your phone automatically locks sensitive apps the moment you hand it to someone. So if you lend your phone to a friend to check photos, your banking apps, private chats, and notes stay hidden automatically. There's also a new stealth sharing mode that removes metadata, location info, and hidden file tags before sending any photo or video, protecting your privacy without needing any manual steps. One UI 8 is built around one core principle: convenience without compromise. But Samsung didn't stop at privacy. They brought AI creativity tools to the table. The new Generative Wallpaper Studio lets you design wallpapers using text prompts. Type sunrise over Tokyo skyline, and in seconds, One UI 8 generates multiple wallpapers matching that style. Optimize for your device's resolution. It's not just about visuals though. The wallpaper subtly interacts with your notifications, making them glow or ripple depending on the tone of your background. It's one of those features you didn't know you wanted until you see it. A perfect balance between art and intelligence. The camera interface in One UI 8 is also completely reborn. Instead of static icons, the buttons morph and glow based on what you're capturing. Point at a landscape, and the UI subtly expands your horizon frame. Switch to portrait mode, and it focuses tighter, adjusting on-screen guides dynamically. AI automatically detects lighting conditions, offering real-time HDR tuning and motion correction, all before you hit record. And yes, the camera assistant now integrates with Samsung's AI editing tools, letting you erase objects, enhance colors, or adjust shadows in real time right in the gallery. Another major evolution comes in the notification system. Samsung realized people are drowning in alerts, so One UI 8 introduces adaptive summaries. Instead of showing every single message, your phone now summarizes conversations, highlighting only the key moments or decisions. Imagine getting a single summarized alert like 5 new messages, meeting confirmed for 3 p.m., instead of endless bubbles. This is Samsung's way of returning time and peace of mind back to the user. The quick panel has been redesigned completely. Visually stunning, highly functional. It's now a translucent layer that reacts to your wallpaper's color palette, creating a soft glass-like effect. Controls are grouped intelligently. Connectivity on one side, system tools on the other. There's even a focus view, showing only the essentials when you're multitasking or watching videos. The brightness and volume sliders float in fluid motion, feeling more responsive than ever. And here's the kicker. You can now customize panel transparency, shape, and layout to match your personal style. Multitasking gets a futuristic touch with the Edge Flow system. Instead of opening apps in Windows, you can drag one over another to blend them temporarily, like pulling your calculator over YouTube without breaking playback. Samsung also enhanced gesture recognition with predictive actions, meaning your phone can anticipate what you're trying to do next. Swipe between messages and photos, and it already preloads your gallery. Switch to maps and your destination suggestion pops up instantly. Every millisecond feels optimized for flow. And then there's battery intelligence, Samsung's latest AI-powered battery manager. It learns your daily charging pattern, reduces background drain, and even cools down your device automatically during long gaming or video sessions. You can see your battery's health grade, track energy usage by mood or activity, and get real-time suggestions like, switch to eco mode for 30 extra minutes. It's like having a battery expert built into your pocket. Visually, One UI 8 feels like Samsung's most cohesive experience yet. The design language is called Aerofluid, and it's based on natural motion. Every app transition, pop-up, and menu slide follows physical rules of momentum and depth. Even haptic feedback syncs perfectly with animations. When something bounces on screen, you feel it vibrate in sync. It's not just software, it's sensory design. Samsung wants every interaction to feel organic, like the phone is breathing with you. The weather app is now almost cinematic. You can see live animations of rainfall, wind, or sunrise that blend perfectly into your wallpaper. The music player has redesigned visualizers that pulse gently to the rhythm of your song, and the lock screen offers smart scene cards, live widgets that show your next event, estimated travel time, or current workout progress without unlocking the phone. Even Bixby has been upgraded with generative AI, capable of writing summaries, setting routines, and translating live conversations directly within apps. No switching needed. But the most underrated upgrade might be the One UI continuity system. It connects your phone, tablet, watch, and Galaxy Buds seamlessly. Start watching a video on your phone and with one swipe, continue it on your tablet. Get a call on your Buds, and the nearest connected device automatically picks it up. It's Samsung's version of ecosystem harmony, smoother, faster, and more intuitive than ever before. So what does all this mean for the average user? It means that with One UI 8, Samsung has finally built something that doesn't just respond. It anticipates. It's not just about style or speed anymore. It's about emotional design, meaningful motion, and intelligence that adapts to your life. From AI-powered privacy to adaptive aesthetics, Samsung isn't chasing trends, it's defining the future of Android itself. One UI 8 isn't just an update, it's a declaration. A bold message that smartphones are no longer tools, they're partners. With it, Samsung has created not just a user interface, but a human interface. One that learns, listens, and evolves. And trust me, once you use it, going back will feel impossible. If you enjoyed exploring One UI 8's hidden power, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Insight, and turn on notifications. Because the future is unfolding faster than ever, and you don't want to miss what comes next.